In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Asana. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar or search bar at the top, type Asana and press enter. You should see Asana appear as one of the first search results. Look for the official Asana website, which will usually just say Asana, with a description about work management or project management, and click on that link to open the homepage. Once you're on the Asana website, you'll see options to either sign in or sign up. Since we're creating a new account, look for the button that says Sign Up Now or simply Get Started and click on it. This will take you to the registration page where you can begin setting up your account. On the sign up page, Asana will usually give you a few different ways to create your account. One common option is to continue with a Google account. If you already use Google for work or personal use and you prefer a quick setup, you can click the button that says something like Continue with Google. This will open a Google sign-in window where you can choose the Google account you want to link or sign in with your Google email and password. After you confirm, Asana will use that information to create your account automatically. If you don't want to use Google, or if your company requires you to sign up with a specific work email, look for the field where you can type in your company email address. Click on that field, carefully enter your work email, and then continue to the next step. Make sure you type your email correctly because Asana may send you a verification link or important notifications there. After you've chosen how to sign up, Asana will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These might include confirming your email address, entering your name, setting a password if you didn't use Google, and answering a few short questions about how you plan to use Asana, such as your role, your team size, or what kinds of projects you manage. Just follow each prompt one at a time, read the instructions on the screen, and click continue or next as you go. Once you've completed all of the on-screen steps, your new Asana account will be created and you'll be taken into your workspace, ready to start organizing your tasks and projects.